Hello and welcome. Today, I'm going to share 5 reasons to use MailerLite. First, MailerLite has a clean and intuitive design, making it easy for both beginners and experts to create and manage email campaigns. Second, it offers a generous free plan that supports up to 1,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails per month. Third, MailerLite is one of the most cost-effective email marketing platforms available. Fourth, it allows you to set up automated workflows like welcome sequences or drip campaigns to engage subscribers without manual effort. The visual automation builder makes it simple to create personalized sequences. Fifth, MailerLite provides a variety of pre-designed templates for emails, landing pages, and pop-up forms. These templates are fully customizable to fit your brand's needs. Additionally, the platform offers in-depth reporting on email performance, including open rates, click-through rates, and user engagement. With all these features, MailerLite is an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced marketers. Thanks for watching.